Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here's Evita. I haven't been uploading any long content for over 2 weeks now because there was just so many things going on. We had a lot of rain last night and it seems like it will be raining very soon again. So I'd like to show you my drought tolerant perennial bed. When I opened the window this morning, I was really surprised. It looks so beautiful. Most of the irises in my drought tolerant perennial bed are now in bloom. So let's go and take a close look before it starts raining again. There are a lot of rain clouds up there. So this will be a very short video, but I just want to show you the irises here in my drought tolerant perennial bed. These irises are the tallest I have in the garden, and it's called the clear morning sky. I think this one is the violet Turner, if I remember it right. There are still a lot of buds in front that will be opening in a few days. And these ones are the mysterious. Oh, now I remember, there was one that started blooming very early, and that's the one behind the garage of our lawn mower robot. So that's probably the fourth one I was talking about. This bed is not connected to my watering system because they don't really need water. The rain is enough even during the summertime. So I have some autumn joy here, and I also have some caryopteris that will be blossoming in summer. Very beautiful blue flowers that the bees just love. I also have some common verbena that grows really tall that the butterflies love, and some self-seeded blue flowering or gray flowering poppies I saw in between. There is the self-seeded soapwort in those very dainty pink flowers. I actually just like to have blues and purples here, but sometimes things just self-seed like the soapwort. And I also see a snapdragon in pink in one corner. Yeah, that is the snapdragon. It's growing in the very dry area that doesn't even get rain, but it looks good, so I'll just leave it there. So guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the short video, and I will try my best to upload videos next week, at least the long content. So I had been uploading a lot of shorts lately. So if you're interested, just check my playlist shorts and you can see what's all in bloom in the garden. And maybe meet Red, our garden squirrel that lives in the garden for many years now. And the mama hedgehog that I just uploaded yesterday. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye now, and have a nice day.